Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Imagine spending hours on a precision machining job, meticulously turning, grinding, and shaping a component, only to find out during assembly that the contour is slightly off. The curve doesn't match the drawing, the part doesn't fit, and the whole batch has to be reworked or scrapped. It's frustrating, right? But it's also surprisingly common, especially when relying solely on manual measurement techniques or visual checks for complex curved profiles. That's exactly where the contour machine steps in as a game changer. The contour machine is a specialized precision instrument designed to measure and analyze the shape, profile, and curvature of surfaces, especially those that are curved, inclined, or not flat. Whether you're working with cams, gears, molds, turbine blades, or medical implants, this machine helps you ensure that every curve, groove, and angle matches the design specs exactly. Here's how it works. The machine uses a stylus or probe that gently traces the surface of the part. As it moves, it records the profile and sends that data to a high-resolution display or software system. This allows technicians to visualize, inspect, and compare the actual shape of the component against the intended design, often down to the micron level. What makes the contour machine truly effective is its high accuracy, repeatability, and ability to handle complex geometries that are nearly impossible to verify manually. No more guesswork, no more human error, just clear, quantifiable profile data. Key features include digital readouts, automated profile analysis, and compatibility with CAD data for direct comparison. In industries like aerospace, automotive, tooling, and medical device manufacturing, it's used to improve dimensional accuracy, quality assurance, and production efficiency. Simply put, the contour machine doesn't just measure curves. It ensures your parts meet the highest standards every time. Hi friends, if this video helped simplify the topic for you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really supports our channel and helps us share more useful content with professionals and learners in the industrial and manufacturing world. And if you enjoyed this explanation, don't miss our detailed video on the coordinate measuring machine, CMM. We covered how it works, its types, applications in quality inspection, and shared tips for getting accurate results, all explained in the same practical, easy-to-understand style to help you stay sharp on the shop floor.